Hello everyone, myself Hiria Gisani and this is the presentation for my differential geometry and tensor analysis paper. So the topic for presentation is local intrinsic properties of surface. So what is surface? A surface is the locus of point whose coordinate x, y, z are function of two independent parameter u and v say. सो सपोज़ हमने कोई सरफेस लिया जिस पे पॉइंट P है जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स x, y, z हैं. सो x हमारा u, v का फंक्शन है, y भी हमारा u, v का फंक्शन है, z भी हमारा u, v का फंक्शन है. सो ऐसे ही बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स का जो लोकस होगा वही हमारा सरफेस कहलाएगा. नाउ x इज इक्वल्स टू x u, v, y इज इक्वल्स टू y u, v, z इज इक्वल्स टू z u, v. This is known as parametric equation for surface. Now, suppose Px, y, z be the general point on the surface whose position vector is r. So, we can write vector r is equals to I x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. So x is the function of u, v, y is also function of u, v, z is also function of u, v. So we can write this in the form. So vector r is equals to vector r u, v. This equation is known as vector equation of surface or Gaussian form of surface. And here the point is noted that the parameter u and v are independent to each other, and these parameters are known as curvilinear coordinates or surface coordinate of current point on the surface. Now coming to the implicit or constraint equation of surface. So let x is equals to x u, y v and y is equals to y u, v, z is also function of u, v be the equation of surface. Now if we eliminate u, v from the abstract equation of the form f(x, y, z) is equals to 0, this form of equation of surface is known as implicit or constraint equation of surface. हमने यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल लिया है x इज इक्वल्स टू यू प्लस वी, वाई इज इक्वल्स टू यू माइनस वी, z इज इक्वल्स टू यू फोर यू वी बी द इक्वेशन ऑफ सरफेस. Then we have to eliminate u and v from x, y, z. So by eliminating u, v from x and y, and get the equation x square plus y square plus is equals to z is known as implicit or constraint form of surface. Now coming to the of surface. So a surface x is equals to x u, v, y is equals to y u, v and z is equals to z u, v is said to be of class R if x, y, z are continuous and single valued function of u and v and their partial derivative of rth order is exist. So अगर हमारा कोई फंक्शन है अगर हमारा कोई सरफेस है वो क्लास R का कब कहलाएगा, जैसे कि x इज इक्वल्स टू ये हमारी कोई सरफेस की इक्वेशन है, तो ये हमारा क्लास R का कब कहलाएगा, जब x, y, z हमारे कॉन्टीन्यूअस हों, सिंगल वैल्यूड हों और उनका जो डेरिवेटिव हो rth ऑर्डर का वो एग्जिस्ट करे. नाउ if r is equals to r u, v be the equation of surface, then we have following representation. We can write upon del u and vector r2 is equals to del r upon del v and vector r11 is equals to del 2r upon del u2 and vector r12 is equals to del 2r upon del u del v and the vector r21 is del 2r upon del v अपॉन डेल यू। जो R1 और R12 एंड R21 हमारे इक्वल होते हैं, मतलब R12